Thank you all for being here. Thank you for your service. Thank you for yours and your family sacrifices. It's an honor and a privilege to welcome you here today.
Veterans came into our classroom and then
we had a little meet and greet where all the kids introduced themselves to me.
What's your name?
My name's Barry Hartford.
Can we say good morning, Mr. Barry?
Good morning.
during morning meeting they showed who else they knew as veterans, and so did everyone else.
And then we just had a little question and answer period. Kids asked me a couple questions about the different branches of the service, and that was nice.
Good morning, Mr. Boyd.
Oh, that was wonderful. I mean, all the kids were asking questions and stuff.
They were really nice, and then we went downstairs to sing.
Then we did the concert. The concert was pretty fun, and then the folding flags, I liked being able to fold the flag. It was fun.
Everybody open up the side grabs it. All you find a place to hold on. Open up.
He had an assembly about our veterans.
Now the United States Navy.
We said thank you to our veterans.
It's important because it teaches you about like all the wars and how they fought and like what they felt like and like why they did it, kind of, and just to thank them for serving.
It's very important to teach the young about what represents a veteran and the sacrifices that they've gone through. Not everybody goes to combat, but everybody does a job that is very important to our national security.
We're examples of what they can become and things. So yeah, that was important for me to come here today so that they could not just so much even honor us, but for us to just be seen as examples of what they can become.
They served our country and they worked hard to keep everyone safe.
They risked their lives for us, and they deserve an appreciation. Thank you for your service. Thank you, veterans.
Thank you, veterans.
Thank you, veterans.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you, veterans.